kahit yung handa, 55 kilometers per hour, yan yung pinakamatipid na pwede itakpan ng sasakyan. 55.
Ano, lumagpas mo na. Ang plaza.
Ano? Total, yun. Sakit ko ng total. Lapit na yan.
Can you see something, guys? Middle of nowhere. Middle of nowhere. Oh, there's so many light posters, guys. Many, 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 many. And I'm vlogging, you're vlogging. Right here, bro. Start close 1 kilometers. Bro, I'm vlogging.
Ay.
And you're vlogging, I'm vlogging. And we're gonna say, wait. What is, wait, what is that? Bro.
Bakit di ka tumalis sa kabila?
Friday, May 2, Daddy's birthday, of course, 11:30.
Baka lalagpas ka.
Bakasyon tayo. Sa plaza ka, di ba?
Oo.
Santa Rosa. I can draw in a real nose. From here, start close. Today I cannot stop. I cannot stop. What's the tawag? Stamp today like this. Only kagahapon and kagahapon. Long time ago, but I not marunong. Hindi pa ako marunong ng 1 year ago. Yeah. Yeah.
Lawak nilang lingat.
Oh yeah.
5 lane.
The case is already tangled, guys. Express is long. Look, guys. Ew, what's that smell? Donald's. Ah. Oh yeah. Guys, can you pass it? Today na. That's so funny, right? Tell it in the comments when it's funny. And na kagad. Kagad.
Plaza exit.
Yeah. There, guys. We're going here now. Not there. Right here. Already right here. Oh, there's a truck.
Okay.
Maplasan exit.
Dapat ito lang. Yeah, hindi ko kailangan kahit
Bakit?
kung kahit kung ayaw.
Eh kasi baka may problema yung card.
Sila maswerte, makabalik naman sila. I can say, move it. What can I say? I have to read
Kala ko
this.
nakalakad.
What can I say? Miraculous,
Baka may problema ang dito. Scan.
Like guys, kahit hindi nyo ginagalaw, nagagalaw pa rin.
Dapat natulog.
Magkano ng dating tubig dito, ang mahal.
Ren, ren, ren. Ren, ren, ren. Nan, 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 nan. Nan, 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 nan. Bro, that thing is traffic. Traffic jam in English. Traffic. Traffic. Pagka-Tagalog. Traffic jam. Traffic plus jam equals traffic jam. Jam. That's mean. Jam is alam ko yung place na to Alam, na-remember ko
Ano ba yun?
place na
Oh,
to.
sige, kalpalikan ka na ulit.
Diba, napunta dito
Kaliwa
tayo
tayo.
nung may namat. Oh my god, like this. Hindi na magigising guys. Forever, nandun na sila.
Mabilis dito
Taas
sa
na sila.
Plaza exit. Ang sinari-sari sa puso.
Ngayon sa vlog already guys. We're almost there. I remember that place and there's also an exercise there. And I've joined in the gymnastics. Saying gym. I forgot. And isn't that gymnastics? It's like running and running and running. That's my first time. Kaya ko mag-tumbling guys. It's not like that. Dapat igaganon kayo guys. Gaganon, tapos gaganon. Tapos saglit lang nakataas ang paa. Tapos nakapay agad kayo. Ganon guys. Later bawat yun.
Kahit doon sa din, yung pinagpa-parking, puno na yun doon.
Ha?
Party.
Yun doon sa pagpa-park natin, baka puno na doon.
Saan tayo magpa-park?
Try lang natin kung mayroon pang parking.
1-3 na ata
Tapos
na remember. Na-remember ko pang ilan na ata to, pang 10. 3. Ano? Alala ko lang 3. 3 lang. Kasi nung dumaan kami doon na nakakita ko kanina, ay, familiar ko to. At, nakita kami yung sa nabi ko, andoon na. Tapos, ngayon, ayun, nakita ko na yung SM. Santa Rosa SM. Guys, look! Sa Santa Rosa na. Halina na sa highway lang. Mamay! Parang na. Parang na sa vlog ko.
Meron pang mga parking
Meron,
dyan.
magpaparking.
Oh!
Mas kabila yun. Mas kabila.
La 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 la
Doon sa may puno din, marami.
Ang puno.
Doon sa gilid. Diretso ka lang. May nakita ako na.
Bye.
For you,
At right na.
better.
Ha?
30.
30 that hot. Hot guys.
Buo to. Oh.
500. Tapos gusto ko.
Papagutin mo.
Hanggang to, hindi na nakakita. Pero pag nandito, makakita nyo.
Diretso ka nga doon. Ang dami ko nakitang bakante.
Fix you up. You're a toy. You're
Ba,
my
diretso lang.
husband.
Ilan yung nakita ko doon eh. Alam nga, puno agad yun. Ito. Yan. Yan.
Yeah.
Yan. Yun oh. Tatlo. Tatlo ang bakante.
Kuya just in the harap. And girls is right here. That's so much. This is already hot, guys. Ito kasi peanut. 94%. Seriously, kanina is 100%. Para nakita nyo guys ay guys, nakakita nyo ay 42. That's magic. Ano talaga yan guys?
Parang asikip sa kabila.
There's a us guys. Okay, percent na. Still the same. Bukas pa kayak pa yan. Tagal yan nalubos ng power. At
Liit dito.
hospital ako guys. I can't believe it's welcome to my
Yan, naman
first.
na yan. Straight lang.
I remember my first vlog. Very first. Vlog. That's it like 1 month ago. Oh yeah, already made 2. That's April. Ow. Kuya, I'm gonna bukas as. Hi, Daddy. You're a toy. You are a so good. Hindi, naka-vlog ako.
Ay, ayaw mo patay. Bahala ka dyan. Sira na ako.
Okay. Right here.
Pwede bang patayin na, Crispy? Patayin na, be.
Yeah. Look like we are small and the car is so big. They're in highways. But you're not. Wait.
Mamigong pa ako. Ma, sino ba yan?
Kaya patayin!
Bye-bye.